So here we are waiting for the bus here at the bus stop. Well, sort of bus stop. There's no shelter here, and we are waiting for the only bus that goes to Reine. I think there are two a day, but quite a big distance between each other, so yeah, it is possible to travel on the Lofoten Islands with public transport, but you just have to plan very carefully, well ahead. If you do that, then you'll be fine. As you can see, yesterday when we got the ferry, we got down to Moskenes, there were no buses, there was nothing, so luckily we got a lift from a couple there that took us all the way here, or else it would have been like an hour and a quarter to walk all the way here to this town called A. Anyway, let's hope that the bus is not going to be delayed, because to wait here in the freezing cold is not fun. Hello. So the next ferry for Bodo would be at 8:30. I see there's a shelter as well there, so if you was here, I guess, waiting for the ferry, you can sit in the shelter there. So this is the bus that we got, and it goes all the way to Narvik. Unfortunately, there aren't many buses. I think it's only about 2 a day, so yeah, this is Reine so far. First impressions, it looks very, very nice, very, very pretty. Look at that. Wow, it's incredible. So first thing, coffee. That's a priority. Whoa. Let's go. Ah, I can smell the cinnamon from here. That was very nice. So if you are in Reine, this cafe here, highly recommended. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and put our luggage in the hostel. I think it's a bit too early for a check-in, but we can at least leave the heavy stuff there. The hostel should be just here. Ah, there we go. Lofoten bed and breakfast. Right. Let's see if we can leave our luggage here. Staff entrance. I can see many people on this bridge. This must be a popular photo shoot point. As you can see all the view of Reine here from this angle, so let's have a closer look. Sorry. Yeah, this is the spot. This must be like a little church, the town church. Let's see if we can go inside to have a look. Anyway, I've seen quite a few tourists on that bridge, but not many here in the town. I guess everyone goes where you do the Instagram photo. No one really explores the center of the city, which is quite interesting in my opinion. What I really like of this place is right in the middle of this valley with all these big high mountains, and then you've got the fjord there, and then you've got more mountains down there. The view from the top is totally incredible. I've done a few shots with the drone, but I think they don't really make justice to this place really. So beautiful it is. It's typical Scandinavian Norwegian. Even Tromsø, I mean Tromsø was nice, but this place here is it does top it big time. The sun is coming out. They're clearing all the snow, the plows. So you've got supermarket as well here, which I will show you shortly. I think, as far as I know, is the only one here in the town. It's called Circle K. I'm probably going to go and have a quick look inside, see what they've got. Really fancy a warm cup of tea. There's a petrol station as well. Yeah, it's called Circle K. You can get a burger for 49 kronas. It's a bargain here in Norway. Sure where you go in? Probably here. Let's go and have a look. more of these fish stacking wooden sort of dryers, I guess. It's a shame they don't actually use these anymore, or they do use them still, maybe in the summer, who knows. So we're going to this lighthouse where there should be a good viewpoint. Seen that bridge there on quite a few videos. There's quite a few connecting all the Lofoten islands. Anyway, mission accomplished. We went all the way down there to the lighthouse. It's getting colder now, so I think it's time to go and get a nice warm cup of coffee in the cafe where we went before, maybe even something to eat. Hopefully there's going to be a sunset. I'm not sure if, because it's still a bit cloudy at the moment. Yeah, if there is, I'll probably do a bit more filming, hoping to see some sunsets. I don't think it's gonna happen tonight, too many clouds.
Yo no sabía si es la que lleva, esa la lleva, ¿eh? Por encima.
Nice fish soup here in this restaurant. I'm just gonna dig in now and enjoy it. Morning everyone. We are here in the hotel, bed and breakfast. Let's see how the weather is outside. Wow, look at that view. It's certainly been snowing overnight. Well, at least the weather seems okay. Right, let's go and have breakfast now. I'm gonna finish my breakfast with this lovely view. So this was our room. As you can see, very simple. 2 beds. Right. So and this was the name Nordlis. It's also got a common bathroom here with shower, very clean, very nice. Right, so it's time to go now. We also have some tea facilities here, which is very good. We've made good use of this. Whoa. So, this is the place, highly recommended from me. Lofoten bed and breakfast is the cheapest thing that we could find on booking.com, but in my opinion it was amazing. Even if you had the thing where you have to share the bathroom, that's not a major thing for me. Breakfast was incredible, very, very clean, very comfortable, nice and warm. What else do you want? And then look at this, you're here